Welcome to my bathroom. This was not part of the plan. If you don't want spoilers, don't watch this. But if you don't mind spoilers, this is what's going on. Next week's video was supposed to be a flooring video. I was changing the floors in the bathroom because I'm like waiting in between drywall coats for the bedroom and I don't want to do the floors until I got the walls done. So anyways, so I decided to work in the bathroom and do the floors there. And then I took the molding, the baseboard that was around the tub walls, and it was moldy. And I realized that there's a leak behind the tub. So I ended up taking the walls that were here. I took those off. And I am in the process of taking this whole structure down and redoing it because the bottom wood, it's also kind of moldy and it's just, ew. Ugh, it's wet. I'll feel better if I can just replace it. Luckily the subfloor has no damage that I know of. The linoleum is protecting it pretty well. But yeah, I was supposed to be laying floors today. I'm taking out walls. And I'm hoping that I can get this video done and ready for next week. If not, I don't know. Maybe I'll post the bedroom first. I don't know. This is such a mess. Like, I am in the middle of a bathroom mess now while I'm in the middle of the bedroom at the same time. It's a real mess. Anyways, I'm gonna keep going. I just thought I would give you an update.